Hi friends, for our letter center today, we're going to work on the letters G and H. Now the first thing I want you to do is remember the first thing we do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top. Then I'm going to practice writing the letter G. So remember, we always start our letters at the top. I'm going to pull around the curve, come in and make my line. Lowercase g, I'm going to make a magic C and then add my hook. Capital G, I'm going to pull around the curve and come in. Lowercase g, I'm going to make that magic C, make my small curve, come around and make my hook. And then I'm going to do my H. So I'm going to start at the top, pull straight line down, come back up, pull to the top, straight line down, and then across in the middle. Lowercase h, I'm going to pull straight line down and come and make my hump. Okay, again, capital H, pull straight line down, come over, pull another straight line down, across in the middle. Lowercase h, straight line down, and then come around to make your hump. Capital H, straight line down, again, and across in the middle. Okay, my friends, now I want you to remember, G is going to say g, 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 and H is going to say Let's look at our pictures. We have gate, hat, heart, gum, guitar, house, goat, hippo. So again, remember, G is going to say g, g, and H is going to say I'm going to take my time, holding my scissors the right way. I put my thumb at the top, my middle, ring, and pinky finger in the bottom, and using my pointer finger as a guide. I'm going to cut my strip out. And then I'm going to look at my first picture, the picture of the g, g, gate. At the beginning of gate, I hear g, g, g. So I'm going to use just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue it by the letter G for g, g, gate. All right, my friends, and I push that down nicely. Now you're going to do the rest by yourself. Remember, when you are all done gluing, I would like for you to color all of your pictures. And remember to use your very best kindergarten coloring. I should not see scribble scrabble. Okay, friends, I'll see you back soon.